Hey guys, we're out here today with Wheel Pro and the Hoonigans, and we brought out the El Diablo Loco in the Power Wagon. It's been a great day. We got out here at 9 o'clock this morning. These guys have been drifting these cars all day. I'm so surprised on how much of a beating these things can take all day long. But been in the pits with the guys. There's two girls from Japan that are here today drifting their cars that are very skilled drivers. I mean, these girls can get down with these guys. So it's been really good to watch these guys. It's a great event. So we wanted to share it with you on our YouTube. So make sure you stick around and watch all the cool stuff that's going on. See you later.